Alright, so I got through security. Now to record the actual Hoover Dam, which is going to be much easier now. Hoover Dam tours. Nope, don't need the tours, just want to go over it real quick. I just want to go over the Hoover Dam. You never know when. This is the only thing that's going to be running after all human civilization is done. It's true. La 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 la. Not many people are going to be doing this anymore. Oh, it's a lot of power. Look at that power. That power, though. That's a lot of freaking power there. They see California license plate, they threw you right through. They just see you and then BAM! It's so hot and I had to cool the phone down. Oh my god, look at that beautiful bridge. Whew. Look at that thing. Damn! That is beautiful. That architecture though. Look at it. That thing is high. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, they did a good job. I remember when this wasn't here. I remember when this wasn't here. Wow. Wow. Hello, Hoover Dam. Haven't seen you since like 2008, 7. I'm surprised those things haven't broken. The way they're bent. Oh, they got all that hold on them. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wa da da da. Anybody want to go inside the Hoover Dam? Yeah, I thought so. And I bet you they have full. Wow. They really need to clean it up here. Huh. Oh no, they need it. Oh, I'm in Nevada. Oh wait, now I'm in Arizona. Gonna be in Arizona within 5 seconds. Arizona or Nevada. This is the only thing that's going to be working after all the humans are gone. It's true. This is the only thing that'll be working for a few more months. By itself. It's self-contained. In a weird way. It's self-contained. Oh, look, I'm in Nevada. Wait. 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 I'm still in Nevada. I am still in Nevada. I repeat. I am still in Nevada. Wait for it. Oh! Not answering that. I'm out. Still in Nevada. Oh, wait, no, now in Arizona. restroom. Man, this thing is huge. Yeah, it sure is. Why would you stop here on red? Like, what could possibly... The spillway, maybe? Like water coming through, maybe? Oh. Oh, okay. I see. I see why they would do that. Yeah, I can see that. La 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 la. Technically, I'm there in Arizona now. Oh, look at that. There you go. How beautiful that is. The whole area is very nice. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching.